Hey, what's up guys? John from Mongo Fishing. Time for another tournament video. This is the Anvil Jaw series. It's our third stop on Greers Ferry. Super rainy day. It was raining most of the morning, so I didn't get a chance to film all the morning like I filmed. And when my battery died, it was just pissing down rain, so I didn't bother changing out the battery until it cleared up some. So there's a gap of several hours where you guys miss. It is what it is. So we'll get into the tournament footage, and then we'll come back and go through some statistics and baits and stuff like that. So here we go. Well, I had one. Felt decent. It sucks. Probably a striper. All right, guys, update. It is, what time is it? It's almost 11. Camera's been off for quite a while because it's been pouring down rain and I didn't want to change batteries, but I've got 3 in the box. I'm going to try to catch something out of here, see if I can finish my limit. I got 3. Got 2 spots, about 14 inches each, and about a 15-inch smallie. Keep fishing. Throwing an A-rig right now because there's so much bait. So far today I've caught 2 fish on an A-rig, 1 on a jerkbait. I've lost fish several times today. Lost a big one this morning on the jerkbait. I've lost 2 doubles on the A-rig. So I should have a limit, but I don't. Keep fishing. So isn't this live scope, guys? And I've seen several fish come after my bait, but I've yet to see a fish eat it on live scope. But I've seen several like dart up after it. It's pretty cool. But every fish I've caught has been like a blind cast. There we go. Another spot. No, another smallie. Fish number 4. Another 15-inch smallie. There we go. Actually watched him come up and hit it. If he keeps, and we got 5 guys. Well, he keeps, but he's going to be my first one I got to get rid of. So let's get a cull tag on him because he is definitely smallest. Guys, that was my very first like actual catch with live scope. Like I watched him hit. Pretty freaking sweet. Whew. Got 5. So I could go chase like some larger fish right now, try to cull up by pounds, but I know there's some fat spots down here. You know, 1 decent spot I can cull it by ½ pound. I see you. What are you though? Why won't you eat? All right, where'd you go? Right there. All right, well, you may not even be a bass. Got him. I watched him hit too. Oh, it feels nice. That's a nice smallie. Well, he definitely culls out that other one, guys. That's about a 16-inch smallie. That's almost a 17-inch smallie. That's a cull. All right, guys, let's take a break real quick, figure out what we got and which one's got to go about next. So I'm gonna turn the camera off real quick for a minute. All right, guys, I just got done like weighing everything. We got 831 right now, and my smallest is a spotted bass for 132. Keep fishing. So my smallest smallmouth is, I think it was 159. So I've got a 132 and a 159 spot, and then a 159 smallmouth. There we go. That feels like a nice smallie. That is a nice smallie. He will cull out a fish for sure. $2.12. Culls out fish number 1, which is white. Look at that, guys. It's a nice cull. There we go. Watch them hit. Another smallie. Ooh, no, it's a largemouth. That's the trifecta, guys. And I got 2 at 157. It's gonna be close. Okay, so this guy culls up either fish 2 or fish 4. So I'm gonna have to balance beam these. All right, guys, I got a balance beam fish 2 and 4. So yellow and blue. All right, yellow leaves. This guy goes back on blue. Largemouth is now yellow. All right, guys, sitting at 946. So almost 9.5 pounds. All right, guys, update. It is 12:17. I have my 5. I've culled up twice. I got about 9.5 pounds right now. There we go. That feels nice. They're smallie. Culls out fish number 4, blue. A little over 10 pounds. All right, guys, so I'm kind of upriver a little bit. There's a bunch of boats running around. I don't know if everybody's looking for a kicker or if it's just dead up here, because the further north I went, the more boats I saw running. All right, guys, update. It is 2:20. So I got about 30 minutes left. Still need to get a kicker. I still only got like 10 pounds. If I'm gonna cash a check today, I'm gonna need a lot more than 10 pounds. Keep fishing. All about that size.
Catch the lower end all day?
No, not all day.
I could not catch.
I did not get bit at all up here.
I couldn't catch anything down. That's a nice one there.
Yeah, I've got I don't know, 2 or 3. I don't know. I've got like right at about 10 pounds.
Yeah. 1029. Nice.
All right, guys. So there you had it. I had 10.29. All right. So the winning weight was 14.22. It took 11.18 to cash a check. That was 5th place. I came in 9th place with 10.29. Big Bass was 6.68. That was also the guy who won. Now, more statistics. It was a total slugfest out there. 44 boats, and only 4 of them did not have a limit. 44 boats, 210 fish caught total. I mean, that's crazy. Like I said, it was just an absolute slugfest out there. So after 3 events, the way Anvil Jaw does their points is they take, you can drop 1 score, right? So we've had 3 events, they're taking your top 2. So with the drop, I'm sitting in 5th place overall. Without the drop, I'm sitting in 14th place overall. I mean, I've got a 0 for Lake Hamilton, so I can't get worse than that. I guess I could tie that, but I can't get worse than a 0. So that 0 will be my drop. So honestly, like really the only way I can really move up is I'm gonna need other people to 0, which there are some absolute hammers in that league, so it's not very likely. All right, so fish. I caught 1 on a jerkbait. That was before I had the camera back up and running again, and everything else came on an A-rig, a Black's Custom Lures Widowmaker with Kitech 2.8s. Yeah, with Kitech 2.8s or a Reaction Strike Chunky Shad. So that's that, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right down there, along with the bell notification button. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Again, guys, thank you very much for watching. As always, get out of the water, be safe, and go stick some webs.